Hey beauty loves, welcome back to my channel. Yes girl, it's time for another makeup tutorial, okay? If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Lakita and I am here bringing you all looks of beauty, okay? So as you all may know, we're approaching 2020 and what brings in the new year and what rings in the new year, and that's no more than weddings, people getting married on New Year's. So I am here doing a bridal look, what can be used as a very natural yet bold lippy bridal look. I have some brides that I'm working with coming into the new year, and it's all about glam on the eye and bold on the lips. So that's what I wanted to bring to you. So stay tuned if you like the way this looks. Just keep watching. But hold up, honey, hold up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified every time that I release a video. Make sure you share it out to your good girlfriends, honey. And hey, let's go. Okay, beauty love, so I'm starting out with my lips this time. I am applying the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme just to go ahead and start plumping up my lips. And child, this stuff stings. Like, I used to use it like a long time ago and I stopped using it because I couldn't take it, but I don't know what made me use it again. Who knows? So I'm just gonna start here carving out my eyebrows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the nude color. And I always do my eyebrows off camera. I pretty much use the Poise Cosmetic Trio Brunette palette when it comes down to my eyebrows. That's what I shape them with, and then I'll color them in with pencil, and then I lock the color in with a brown powder, and then I'll go over it with like a eyebrow gel. For most of my videos, I don't really carve out the top part of my eyebrow, but for some reason I wanted to go ahead and give it more definition. So that's the only time that I really do that. So yeah, I'm using these two, Miss Jackie Aina's palette as well as my custom MAC palette. So we're gonna start in the Jackie Aina's palette. And yeah, girl, let me move this hair that's messing with me. Make sure that is laid down, baby. Now going in my crease, I am using Jackie Aina's, what's the color on this one? Edges. Yes, honey, edges. So I'm just using that as a transition color to this look. Again, I have a lot of brides, before 2020, and I'm not even going to say before 2020, that they've scheduled with me, of course, before 2020, because a lot of brides that's bringing in the new year by being married. It's the new season for their life, so they're choosing to bring in the new year this way. And a lot of them are requesting, like, natural glam, but they want bold lips, whether it be purple lips, whether it be, burgundy lips, or, just the red lips, but it's something that most brides are requesting. So I'm going to be doing a lot of looks here that has the, these are bridal looks that I'm going to be doing these next couple videos this month, bringing in the new year basically. So if you're a bride and you're looking, to get married here soon, just stay tuned, and hopefully you'll like one of these looks and it'll kind of give you some inspiration or some ideas. Now going also over the edges and my crease, I'm using out of my custom MAC palette the ground brown, just to, you know, give it a little bit more warmth in that crease. I like all of my looks to have some sort of warmth to them, so I'm always typically using browns in my crease. And then I'm going to lay down out of the Jackie Aina's palette Soleil color on my lid. It's that really like light goldish shimmery color at the top of that palette. So I'm just laying that all over my lid, and I'm not going to take it all the way to the outer corner because I'm going to actually shade that in with brown. And this is out of the Jackie Aina's palette, but I forgot to put down what that one is. So girl, just look in the description box below and you'll see every product, every color that I use from that palette. So now let's move on to my face real quick. So I start all of my looks by just hydrating my face with rose water. And then this right here is my handy dandy Origins Ginseng, the Energizer Booster Gel Moisturizer. I know, a mouthful, honey. But it just does something to my skin, y'all. Like my skin be thirsty and it just be there. So while I'm letting that soak into my pores, I'm going to go back to my eyelid. Now this is actually the MAC Dazzleshadow liquid eyeshadow little sticks, and this one is called Blinkin' Brilliant. So I'm just putting that right over that shimmer color from Jackie Aina's palette, and yeah, child. And I'm just dabbing it with my finger, and it's going to give it that little shine. Now, foundation of choice today is MAC's, I believe that's NC42 that I'm using. Yeah, it's the NC42, and I'm just using that with a Bebe Stipple brush, and I'm just laying the product down. And then, as always, I always use some sort of foundation brush to apply the foundation, and then I'll go back over it with a beauty blender. And I keep checking my foundation because just like a couple days before I shot this video, I did a chemical peel on my skin, the Image Skincare Signature Peel, and my skin has started like shedding at this point. So I kept seeing that shedding come up, and I thought it was the foundation, and I was about to lose my mind. I thought my foundation was just like crumbling up, and I was like, what? That's never happened before. Now, to cover up these bags, I am using, as always, the NYX Color Corrector in the color Orange. I stopped bringing my foundation all the way up to my under eye because I always add more product like concealer and things like that. So I don't want to, you know, have too much product. Now, as far as my contour is concerned, I use the Black Opal color foundation stick, and it's the color Suede Mocha. And that's what I'm using for the contour areas. But as you can see with the damp beauty blender, I'm going back through my foundation and I'm pressing that into my skin. And to conceal my under eyes, I am using LA Girls Pro Conceal, and that is in the color medium beige. I don't know why I can't freaking talk today. And then to give it a little bit more pop and highlight, I am using Tarte's Creaseless concealer, which is in the color medium honey. And now I'm just going to blend all of this with a beauty blender. But yes, if you're having like with your, since we're in the winter months now, if you're having situations with your skin and the best thing, this is the best month if you've been seeing your skincare therapist, but this is the best month to do like chemical peels to give your skin that extra workout and to bring your beautiful skin forward at a quicker, more rapid pace would be to do chemical peels. And I typically do them on my clients in the winter months, because in the summer months here in Florida, especially with the heat and the sun, it can damage the skin, because your skin is very sensitive to the sun when you're doing these chemical peels. And chemical peels are not just like one treatment, it's a series of treatments. So if you're having skin concerns, I would say go ahead and try the chemical peel. Get with your skincare therapist. Now I am laying down my setting my under eye with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So that's what you see me doing there. And I'm going to use that powder to set all my highlighted areas. And I'm going on the sides of my nose because I typically see a lot of creasing there. Now over my entire face, I'm using Airspun face powder and the translucent color, of course. And then in my contoured areas, I am using the NYX Pro Conceal Palette. And you know I do not discriminate, so I'm using all of the browns, honey. It's not one particular brown. I'm using all of them. No big deal. Now this is my L'Oreal's how do you say that? Like voluminous black mascara. Okay, voluminous. And as always, I am using my Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner. And this is in Blacker Than Black. I have to go on Ruby Kisses website because the place where I was getting this from, honey, I went by there last weekend and they did not have it. I was like, y'all done lost y'all rabbit ass mind. But you know, I don't know, maybe that's God's way of saying, you know what, Lakita, I want you to start using a different product. But I just love, you know how you find that one staple product and you just ride or die with that. That's me. That's me. I'm a loyal person, okay? But it's about time for some more. And if Ruby Kisses don't have it anymore on their website, girl, I'm gonna just fall out. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm gonna just fall out. Now going to my waterline, I'm not using black. I'm actually using Italia's not lip liner, but eyeliner in the color light brown. And that's just to give my, you know, my waterline some definition, but for it not to be too harsh. Now underneath my eye, I'm using the same colors that I use out of Jackie Aina's palette, edges, and then the other color that I have listed below in the description box. And I'm just lightly, you know, putting that underneath my waterline. Now, as far as my lips are concerned, I'm using the NYX lip liner in Pinky Rose. And then I'm going to actually fill my lips in with Sephora's Fuchsia lipstick. Now, I'm not sure if the color is called actually Fuchsia, but that's what I call it basically, because the actual color has rubbed off on it, because I've had this for a while now. So let's just say it's Fuchsia, and you can get it at Sephora, okay? And Sephora actually has like amazing lipsticks and lip glosses. Like this lipstick is so rich as far as the moisture. Now I'm going over adding some pink blush to my cheeks, just to give myself a healthy glow there. And honestly, what I did as far as highlight, out of Jackie Aina's palette, I used some of the same shimmer colors, and I put them on my high cheekbones. And yeah, girl, this is the finished look. So yeah, honey. Now for all my brides out there who just wants a natural look, this would be something really good to, you know, to start off with, you know. And then maybe if your wedding is in the daytime, maybe start off with this, and as the night progresses, you can, you know, change this look up by just adding some deeper colors to the outer V of your eye. And yeah, honey. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a positive comment, and share this video out to your good girlfriends. And until next time, have a blessed one. Don't forget to always aspire to inspire someone each and every day. See you on the next one.